Okay, so today we're going to be talking about rest values and their names. Now, rest values and their names are very similar to the note values and their names, as they share the same name basically. So, as you can see here, we have these bars here, as these massive bars which have nothing in them. Now, these rests, right, these little rectangles on the top or on the bottom of, if it's in bass clef, or let's go to treble clef because that's just easier for everyone. Now, these are on the D line. So these are what we know as a semi-breathe rest or a whole note rest, and it lasts for 4 beats. Now, these follow the same rules as the note values. They follow the same like timings as the note values, everything. Now, after this, we have these rests here. Now, they may look very similar, these two, all right? But this one is in a different position. This is on the top of the B line. Now, it's basically, it's almost smack bang in the middle of the stave. And it's what we know as a minim rest. Now, this rest lasts for 2 beats, while this rest lasts for 4 beats, like the whole notes and the minims. They both last for the same amount. Now, these ones here, they last for 1 beat and are known as the crotchet rests. Now, they're very similar. As you can see, its counterpart is here with the crotchet note. Then we have the semi or the quaver. I keep getting that wrong. The quaver rest. Now, as you can see, it's different to all of the other ones because those two shared similar ones. So you'd expect the crotchet one and the quaver one to be similar in some sort of way, but they're clearly not. They are. It kind of looks like a backwards 7 with like ball on it. Basically, if I go closer there, as you can see, it's there. Now, this is what we know as the quaver rest, and it lasts for half a beat. And I've had to search through the book for these ones. We have, for finally, the semi-quaver rest. Now, the semi-quaver rest is, as you can see, the quaver rest is here and the semi-quaver rest is there. Now, these rests, this semi-quaver rest lasts for a 16th note, and its counterpart is right next to it again, just like the crotchet. Now, we use rests as different symbols as well, so musicians are able to tell like how long they should be resting for in a song. Like, say here, imagine if these two were the same, but the timings didn't line up. Then it would just confuse everyone. It would confuse all the musicians, and it'd wreak havoc, basically. So that's why we use different symbols, and the different symbols do vary. They are quite different to one another, except for, I mean, the only one that's really an outlier here is the crotchet one. Because if we go back to it, the crotchet one is completely different to, say, the semi-breathe one, the minim one are both similar, and then you've got the quaver one and the semi-quaver one, which are quite similar. So the crotchet one is actually quite different. And they also, as you can see here, there is a dot. If I focus in on that one, there we go. There is a dot with the rest, meaning that it can add on, it can apply the same rules with the dot, meaning that you'd half the quaver, so it'd be you're basically adding on a semi-quaver, and then you rest for that amount of period, so it would be a quaver plus a semi-quaver, which would be, I believe, the same amount. I'm going to do it in semi-quavers because it's easier, but it would be the same amount as 3 semi-quavers, as these two semi-quavers make up 1 quaver. So it'd be 1 quaver plus a semi-quaver. So there you have it.